Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see here, I have started to decorate for fall, even though it's still real feel like 100 and something outside, which is crazy, but fall decorating always makes me happy. And if you guys have kind of stuck around for a little bit, I think I already said this in another video, like my daughter went away to college, so it just felt right to do something that I liked, even though it's like super early and it's still hot. But today I'm going to go ahead and get into this order. I have a Super Tarts Christmas in July order. Now, there's good and bad news about this. So the good news is that all the scents smell really good. I'm like impressed with a lot of them, or most of them. The bad news is if you really like something, chances are it's never going to come back again, which is kind of why I have a love-hate with ordering from restocks like this, because you never know if she's going to come back with a scent like this, or if she's going to do the mix again and you end up loving it and you're just like, F me kind of thing. So let me go ahead and just jump on in here. So the sample, I think I got, this is Sleepy Beauty. I think it's lavender cream, rose jam, and is it some sort of cake, I think. I can't remember. Birthday cake maybe? That's what it smells like. I thought it was Good Witch based on appearance, but it doesn't smell like Good Witch. It's got that really sweet, pungent, not pungent, that's not the right word, but rose jam to me always stands out over everything else. Very sweet scent. I had that in a BAM bag at one time, and then I remember I destashed it because it was just too sweet for me. So let me just move this down just a little bit. All right, so I have all my notes here. I'm going to try to keep the scents together that I got. So the first one I got is not very Christmassy at all, but I got 2 key limes and La Push. Now I had La Push and iced berry tea, and she did like a mix, and it was amazing. So I was like, you know what, let me try key lime and La Push, because I don't love La Push on its own. And so La Push is fresh raindrops, sage leaves, and orange peel. I get a lot of key lime out of this. The La Push is pretty good. I'd probably try La Push again. I think it was the sage and orange that I didn't like in there, but it's mostly like a clean air type scent, but the key lime gives it like a more of the fruity type note. So let me just grab this one. So I got a Santa face in fresh strawberries. I've been dying for just plain old fresh strawberries. I've been wanting to order it from multiple vendors because I've been wanting to mix it with things. And hers just smells just like fresh strawberries. I like her strawberry. There was a time when I couldn't say I loved all of her strawberries, but I do like her fresh strawberry. I think that still remains true. There's still some out there that I don't love. I got 3 of these. Let's see if I can find the third one. I got apple pie and fake and bake. So these are going to be fun little time lapses with those adorable shapes. That smells good. So that's zucchini bread, signature, sugar cookie, and sweet cream fragrance is fake and bake. And to me, you get an equal mix of apple pie and fake and bake. So that works out really good because the apple pie doesn't overtake. When I first smelled these, I thought I smelled a lot of apple pie, but I'm actually getting a mix of both, so that's cool. The next 2 I grabbed, and I wish I had grabbed a huge quantity of these. This is Saw and cinnamon rolls. So Saw is sweet cranberry preserves, buttery pie crust, and smooth vanilla cream. I wish I had gotten this in the Fright Night collection, and I just did not order from that collection. So it smells like Saw, and then just a little bit of added sweetness with the cinnamon rolls. Kind of takes down that cranberry a lot, because when you smell Saw like by itself, it's one of those scents that's, I feel like the cranberry is very strong in Saw, and it kind of takes over the scent, but with the cinnamon rolls it gives it a nice little added sweetness, so I like that. I got this huge shape in Miracle on 34th and Twilight. Miracle on 34th is fresh fallen leaves, creamy pumpkin pie, toasted marshmallow mixed with, obviously Twilight is a Lush dupe. I thought this sounded so unique. Oh, this smells so good. This is so good. So this, I love Miracle on 34th, so I'm gonna love this. I'm not smelling a ton of Twilight either. Here's the shape. I think it's super pretty the way they glittered that up. I do smell it, but it mixes so well with that Miracle on 34th. Now I'm going to have glitter all over my hands. I just think that's a really nice scent, so I like that one. I grabbed a Ravenclaw and Amber Romance. If you've never had Ravenclaw before, it's a really great scent. I haven't had it in a long time, but I know I like it. Ravenclaw is blue raspberry and the lavender, and then Amber Romance I think is the Victoria's Secret dupe. I haven't been into Victoria's Secret or like, you know, been by their scents or whatever, so I mostly get blue raspberry, and that's what happens when I get the Ravenclaw scent, is I always get the blue raspberry like the strongest. This one's super pretty. Might cut into this bad boy today. Like, I'm feeling that one for some reason, like in the bathroom. So then I grabbed Cedric and cookie dough, and this came in a Christmas tree shape. And Cedric is Hufflepuff House Blend, which is bananas, like sweet bananas, flaky pie crust, and sweet cream, I think, almond macaroons, and kettle corn. I've always really liked Cedric as a scent. I liked it better than actually Hufflepuff by itself, mixed with the cookie dough. So this one, I immediately get the Hufflepuff. I can smell that. I feel like the cookie dough is kind of toning down the part of Cedric that makes it Cedric, which is the kettle corn, because the kettle corn and the Hufflepuff kind of like balance each other out. You get a little sweet and a little kettle corn, like, what am I thinking of? Salty. So I feel like the cookie dough, sugar cookie dough, kind of mellows that out a little bit. This kind of inspires me to mix more of my scents. Like, if I don't like a super tart scent, I should mix it, because honestly, some of these are really, really good. This one is Penny and Teakwood Coconut. So Penny is watermelon lemonade or lemonade watermelon. This one is probably not the strangest out of the bunch, but I don't smell anything but Teakwood Coconut. This one smells so good though. I love this scent. I think that it's the Teakwood Coconut is what I'm really liking. I'm not really picking up watermelon or lemonade, but it's an interesting blend for sure. But I don't know that I smell any penny in there. The next one I got is Nova Prime and Strawberry Rhubarb. It's a gingerbread man. This Nova Prime is Bakery Shop, Sweet Lemon Meringue, Blackberry Cream. Fun fact, I don't love Nova Prime. I know it's like a fan favorite, but I don't love it. But I thought because Strawberry Rhubarb, I love that scent, so I thought maybe it would like change it up for me, and it totally does. To me, this is pretty strong on that Strawberry Rhubarb. I do smell a bit of the Nova Prime, but the Strawberry Rhubarb takes like the show. It kind of steals the show, so to speak. So I love that. Super glad about that one. This next one I got, I really like this one too, and I'll probably never see this one again. This is Vetiver Vanilla Fig Cream Brulee, and it came in 2-pack gingerbread man. Or no, sorry, yeah. Oh yeah, these are gingerbread man. This is so good. I don't know if it's just because I like vetiver, but it's like a sweet vetiver, like the vanilla. I don't know if I'm getting fig creme brulee. It's almost got like a bakery element to it, but no, this one's good. Honestly, I could warm through this whole order like this week, I swear, and I would be a happy camper. This is why I need not hoard scents, because honestly, I get things and then I'm like, you know what, I love this. I can warm it now and I would be fine for the week. Cookie butter, pumpkin pecan waffles. This is like 2 bells, I think, here with a ribbon. Oh, this one's good. Mixed with that pumpkin pecan waffles, cookie butter is amazing. Cookie butter smells so good. I'm not the biggest fan of pumpkin pecan waffles, but I'm loving cookie butter right now, so I went ahead and grabbed that one because of the cookie butter scent. Just like, sign me up. I got, let's see, did I grab 2 of these? Yeah. Cinnamon rolls and sugar cookies, 2 trees here. So this one is pretty strong. Like, I'm getting a lot of cinnamon off this one. Yeah, this one's pretty heavy on cinnamon. I kind of would like that sugar cookie to come out a little bit more, but you never know on warm what will happen. So there's that. And I grabbed one teeny tiny little darn shape of coffee and Mr. Meyers, and I could like kick myself, like, why didn't I grab more? This is Fresh Fallen Leaves, Fireside, and Vanilla Bean Noel. I only got this because my friend Angie was like, oh my god, coffee and Mr. Meyers. And it's pretty good. I like Mr. Meyers. The coffee kind of gives it like a, it kind of gives it a little bit of a different element. It gives it like a, it kind of smooths it out even more. Like I've always said, Mr. Meyers is more of like a smooth with that Vanilla Bean Noel. But this, I feel like the coffee even smooths it out even more. So good on that one. But I feel like you could mix that one too. If you had a Mr. Meyers, you could throw in some coffee. And I grabbed another Miracle on 34th Street and Twilight. That's what that looks like. And then I grabbed a Pumpkin Donuts and Bake and Bake. So there's that. Oh, that one is good. You know, this is a great blend with Bake and Bake. I really like that. You know, I feel like I have pumpkin donuts as a potion pack in my stash somewhere. I should mix it with some like cookies or something. It's really nice. So anyway, so that is my entire order. Still pretty hefty size order, I would say. I mean, honestly, you guys, like, let me just move you down. I do not need any more wax. I have realized in the past, I don't know, I guess since I've been busy doing stuff and I've like missed a bunch of restocks and openings and whatnot, like I've realized that I need to slow it way down. So, I mean, I can still order here and there, but like I need to like start putting more, like I need to start, well, let's see, what am I trying to say? I'm trying to get more out than I'm bringing in, if that makes sense. So yeah, and I haven't been warming at all. In fact, you know what? I've been doing this. I've been burning candles. Because to me at nighttime, it's like the easiest thing to do is to like light a candle and just let it go for the evening rather than mess with my warmers. So yeah, that's a problem. But it's kind of a nice change of pace, but I'm anxious to get back to a normal warming schedule. So anyways, if you ordered from this order, I'd like to know what you got and what was your favorite thing. I always like to know like your favorite blends or whatever so that sometimes I can mix them up myself and all that jazz. So anyways, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.